Greetings. Now we going to see the second unit, velocity and accelerations analysis of each elements in an mechanisms. That several types are all there. That we are all deeply go to how to find by graphical methods. Here we are going to see velocity and acceleration analysis of 4-bar mechanisms, Slayed-Rank mechanisms, and simple mechanisms by vector polygons. Relative velocity and acceleration of participles in a common link, relative velocity and acceleration of a coincident particles on separate links, Coriolis component of acceleration, angular velocity and angular acceleration of links, velocity of rubbing part. The relative velocity of two bodies moving in straight line. See here, A and B are the two particles moving straight line parallel to each other. The velocity of particle A is Va, the velocity of particle B is Vb. Then the relative velocity Vba is the vector differences of Vb and Va is equal to Vb vector minus Va vector. This is what we can see. Same way, two bodies moving in same direction in different angle. Va is the velocity of particle A, Vb is velocity of particle B. The relative velocity of B over A is given in the diagrams, vector diagrams. Va is the velocity of particle A, Vb is velocity of particle B. The relative velocity Vba is notated here. We can calculate this velocity of relative velocities by graphical analysis in this way. So Vba is equal to vector differences of Vb and Va is equal to Vb vector minus Va vector. When we are doing practically, then we can understand how to do that. Then motion of a link. Let's consider a point on a link, say here B, which is moving related with point A, rotary motion. Then how can we calculate Vba? So consider 2 points A and B on a rigid link. AB are shown in the figure. That one of the extremities B, the B is rotating with related to point A in a clockwise direction. Then the velocity of any point on a link with respect to another point on the same link is always perpendicular, that is important, perpendicular to the line joining these points on the configurations or space diagram. The velocity of a point on a link by relative velocity method. This is another method here, relative velocity method. This method we can see in separate topic. In this way we can find the relative velocity of each particle with related to other. So this is also one of the way. The vector AB, which represent the velocity of B with respect to A, is known as velocity of image of the link AB. The absolute velocity of any point C on AB may be determined by dividing the vector AB at C in the same ratio as C divides AB. In other words, we can say AC by AB equal to capital AC by AB. The same way we can find the angular velocity of AB is equal to velocity of BA by the distance length AB. In this way we can find the angular velocity. Similarly, we can draw the diagrams and then we can find the relative velocity of each link. Rubbing velocity. When two levers elements are all joined by a kinematic joint, it has some rubbing over it. So how to find it? The rubbing velocity at the point 0, omega 1 minus omega 2. Omega 1 is the angular velocity of A, omega 2 is the angular velocity of B. Then the relative rubbing velocity is omega 1 minus omega 2 into R. R is the radius. This way we can find the rubbing velocity.